Morning, guys. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Saba M. I'm trolling down to get the metro. I need to show you one, two, three things as I fix myself on the road. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is the place now, as you can see. Yep. Keep it locked. The surrounding looks like that. Yeah, man. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. As I turn back the camera, I'll show you now from side. That is from roadside. Let me show you around. This is metro station. Yeah, I'm approaching metro station. Metro station I'm approaching. Get the drift. Oh, this one up to that point is covered by metro. So I will be you as I go down. Copy that. Keep it locked. Keep it locked for those who don't like jokes. For those who like jokes, up we are together. I will choose the Travelator instead. So it looks. Something of that kind. It looks nice. I've also things to make work easier here. I, and I will refill it there. Going down, go to the basement now. Down. You see? This is where the metro is. Just now. Very It looks like that inside. Yeah, man. Climbing still. I'm just taking you around in metro station. Yes. Just come from that area. I'm using this one. So keep in touch. One seems to for coming down. So I have to use the stairs. Thank you. Thank you very much. kind of looks nice. The other side with the brush sideways in case you need to shine your shoe. Like, yeah, you should shine it. It's excellent. Excellent. Then, for those who don't like to use stairs or climbing a lot, there is option here for the lift. Elevator. You click it and you wait. As you wait, distance. Wait until it opens like that. Then you inside, you jump. You are there, waiting for it to go up. Nice, 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 nice. There is somebody talking there, saying first floor. We are good, no? You can move around. I think you can copy that. Yes. Check the environment. Some of architectures are wonderful. They have a big brain. They implement things which even looks awesome. This is Weybridge. In Kenya, you'll find another Weybridge which only single. This one is like 7 people can pass across each other because it's very wide. So there will be no commotion here when big crowd of people passing. And it's freestyle. There is no traffic, no congestion, only you. Just walk around. Freestyle. You have options. One for up, steps. Go for steps. Thank you. Metro station in Matar Kadim. Copy.